Do you want to supercharge your men's bed power naturally without medication? If you say yes, there are more benefits of clean, healthy living. Whether this be through diet choice or the decision to only use natural-based supplements. With this being said, if you want to supercharge your power in bed, is there a natural solution? The answer is yes. And you are probably going to be in for a shock when you hear it. When life gives you lemons, enjoy being a hero in bed for your partner. Yes, that's right, lemons. Before continuing, please subscribe this channel, turn on the notification bell, and kindly encouraging you to share this video to the people you love. I will give you a big hug in the next video. Adding some freshly squeezed lemon juice to your water could be the natural solution to your low libido. We have touched on the importance and benefits of lemon water on our sex lives. These are: 1. Boosts sex drive. Lemon water is great for your sex drive because it helps your mental health. Lemon has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory functions that work against several degenerative conditions and even some brain diseases. Your libido can be fragile, so you have to do your best to take care of it. Stress, depression and anxiety affect our mental health. This in turn has a disastrous effect on your libido. Drinking lemon water makes you feel calmer and happier. Your mood affects your libido because your brain is vulnerable to oxidative damage because of its high oxygen-consuming metabolic rate. That is why ascorbic acid helps you with oxidative stress in the brain and is the significant and the most effective supplement to regain inner balance. Vitamin C is the most well-known vitamin on the planet, but not everybody links it to fertility. Lemon has a lot of vitamin C that is an antioxidant. Drinking lemon water helps your body cells to repair themselves. Guys, have you ever thought about what makes up your sperm? The fluid that mixes with sperm is called seminal plasma, and it contains a high concentration of vitamin C. The more vitamin C in your body, the better quality of your sperm. Lemon water protects your kidneys from kidney stones and you from pain during sex and urinating. 2. Pain reliever. Lemons have the highest concentration of citrate. It is one of the natural inhibitors of kidney stone formation. When you suffer from pain during sex, then your libido will naturally suffer. The same situation happens when you try to urinate. Pain. Drinking lemon water twice a day decreases the rate of the stone formation. Normally, we do not connect libido with kidney health, but the connection between pain and pleasure is obvious. Lemon water will help you to control your sex drive and protects you from feeling pain because of kidney stones. Your weight also affects your libido. Unnecessary stones, low metabolism, low energy, all sex drive killers. Here we have another advantage of drinking lemon water. The drink boosts your metabolism and your body is able to burn fat quicker. Proper hydration enhances the function of mitochondria. Mitochondria are types of organelle, the tiny cell structures that help generate energy for the body. In other words, the more lemon water you drink, the more energy your body will have and the faster you lose weight. Losing weight will make you feel happier about your body. Feeling sexy boosts our sex drive. Metabolism is also about thermogenesis. It is a special process in our bodies that uses calories to produce heat and energy. Lemon water helps our body to burn more fat, and so beneficial to our health. Let's now prepare it. Take 4 lemons and cut it. Then squeeze them. And finally mix with a half amount of water in glass, then drink it at least 3 or 2 glasses per day. You will be having the very wonderful results for your bed power, and your health in just few days later will be very improved. Tell me, did you learn something new today? Warmly encouraging you to share this video to the people you love. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell. Then visit our channel, there's so many helpful videos to learn from. Tell me through the comments about what topic do you want to learn in the next video. I will give you a lovely emoji. Thanks for watching, God bless you, see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching this video, get in touch with us. by subscribing this channel. Turn on the notification bell below. Then like and share our videos to others as many times as you can. Don't forget to visit our channel to watch more health videos. We are Best Natural Remedy. Get ready for the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.
Subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends and family.